Traditional pipe and stone systems often struggle in modern installations. Space constraints and high water tables demand innovative solutions. Concrete leach field chambers emerge as a promising alternative, offering efficiency and adaptability. Concrete leach field chambers are precast structures designed for efficient wastewater absorption. Their open bottom design enhances dispersal, allowing effluent to seep downward and through side holes, optimizing percolation. Compared to traditional systems, these chambers require less excavation and adapt well to challenging site conditions. Their one-piece design simplifies installation, making them a preferred choice for modern septic solutions. Concrete chambers install quickly due to their modular nature, reducing labor time. They require up to 40% less leach field area, making them ideal for small lots. Their H20 traffic rating ensures durability under heavy loads. They can also be placed 24 inches above the seasonal high water table, which is a major benefit. This helps to significantly reduce the mounding in the yard where the leach field is located. Traditional pipe and stone systems, while effective, demand significant excavation and gravel placement. They are better suited for properties with ample space and non-traffic areas, lacking the adaptability of concrete chambers. Concrete chambers optimize space, making them perfect for small lots. Their side seepage holes enhance drainage performance, allowing faster infiltration and reducing saturation risks. Durability is a standout feature. These chambers withstand heavy equipment and traffic loads, offering stability that plastic alternatives can't match. Their robust design ensures long-term reliability. Concrete chambers offer lower installation and maintenance costs over time. Their reusability and durability reduce long-term expenses, making them a cost-effective choice for septic installations. Environmentally, they require less excavation, preserving natural site conditions. Their design promotes natural wastewater treatment, contributing to sustainable septic solutions. Before implementing them in your project, a local septic designer will inspect site conditions and follow local regulations. Proper chamber placement and system layout are crucial for maximizing drainage efficiency and ensuring compliance. Concrete chambers offer superior long-term value and durability compared to plastic alternatives. Their robust design withstands heavy loads and shifting soils, ensuring reliability over decades. Once the septic plans are submitted and approved by the local regulatory agency, a local excavation company would install the system according to the plans and purchase their materials, including the concrete chambers from a local precaster. In summary, concrete leach field chambers are ideal for small lots, high traffic areas, and high water tables. Their adaptability and durability make them a smart choice for modern septic installations. Let's make the smart choice together. Embrace the advantages of concrete leach field chambers for a reliable, efficient, and sustainable septic system. Your property deserves the best.